Hi there. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how you can maximize the potential of ChatGPT, OpenAI's powerful language model. With the right approach, ChatGPT can be an incredibly effective tool for a wide range of tasks. One of the most important things to remember when using ChatGPT is to be specific with your requests. The more detail you provide, the more accurate the response will be. For example, if you're looking for information about a specific topic, be sure to include relevant keywords in your request. Another key to maximizing the potential of ChatGPT is to use context effectively. By providing context and background information, you can help ChatGPT understand the context of your request and generate more accurate responses. Finally, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is not perfect and may not always generate the response you're looking for. In these cases, it's helpful to provide additional information or clarify your request to help ChatGPT better understand what you're looking for. By following these tips and tricks, you can make the most of ChatGPT's powerful capabilities and use it to achieve your goals.